Pedro fishing. I'm so sorry, Pedro cannot fish in the park unless he's a real character. Only one, Pedro? Okay, right. Here comes the friend. Hey, Pedro, you have so many friends, Pedro. Let's say hello this morning. Let's wait, please. All of you, keep going, and you keep coming along over there. But these are pelicans, ladies and gentlemen. But there are 8 species of pelicans that can be found in the world, and over in the bird park, we have 7. Okay, pelicans have long bills and large sizes pouches, which they use to cook fish. Okay, right now, all the fish in the pond, and you watch as how this bird took the fish from the water. Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay, give it a fish. Whoa, some over here. Some over there. Right, there you are, very good. Hey, Pedro, what have you got over there, Pedro? Put it up, Pedro, full. Hey, Pedro, what is that, Pedro? Look here, everyone. Pedro has just got a plastic bag instead of a fish. And look at him. He is so upset about the cat. But in fact, many of these water birds are dying because of man's careless ways and the pollution of the sea. So the next time you go to the beach, please do not litter, because even a small plastic bag will be handled to these birds and other wildlife as well. But the one over here with the black button on its back, that is the Australian pelican. Those two over here, those are the great white pelicans. And the big ones over here, these are the Dalmatian pelicans. And these two small ones, they are the spot-billed pelicans. Okay guys, so for all of you to go now, over that way, bye-bye, see you, thank you very much. All of you keep going, bye-bye, over there. See you. Hey, Pedro, lovely Pedro. Have you forgotten something, Pedro? Your fishing rod. Let me help you, okay? Take this away and recycle this plastic bag. Bye-bye. See you. Let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Alright, some of them are very intelligent birds. Some of them, they can even talk and sing. And we have one such bird to show you. Okay, alright, go. And she has kindly brought an Amazon carrot out for me. On the side, this is the yellow-named Amazon, and this bird over here, he can talk very well. So everyone, listen very carefully, okay? Alright, are you ready? First of all, can you start by saying hello?
Hello.
There you are, very good. Hello. You know what? He has a name. Can you please tell us your name? What is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. Yes, one more time. What is your name?
Amigo.
Alright, his name is Amigo. Okay, Amigo is also a very polite bird. Okay, Amigo, please greet all these nice people.
How are you?
How are you? So how are you today? Fine, good, I hope so. But you know what, Amigo is also a very intelligent bird. He can count from 1 to 10. First of all, Amigo will count for us in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10, very clever. And now Amigo will count once again, 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. Yeah, listen up now. Amigo, ready? Please count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3,
Right. Okay, Amigo is also a very talented bird. Okay, he can sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. Okay, first of all, Amigo will sing for us a Mandarin song. It's a children's song called Current Line. If I translate that means a guest comes to visit. Okay, Amigo, ready? Sing us a song in Mandarin. For the second song, Amigo will sing for us a Malay song. Rasa Sayang. Rasa means gift. Sayang means love. It's a love song. Alright, Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa
Hey, very clever. Hey, everyone, let's look at this. Is Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Good morning to you, Rocky. How are you looking? You come to Rocky? What is Rocky? What's the one? Already today? You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Today is Rocky's birthday. Yeah. No wonder you look so happy. Now let me ask you, does anyone out here who is celebrating his or her birthday today? Please raise your hand. Today is the 18th of July. If your birthday, you raise your hand. Okay, sir, it's your birthday today? Very good. Good. Any more people up there? Do I miss anyone? Do you have a boy up there? Yeah? No? Nobody? Okay, good. Okay, no one? No more? Okay, good. What about people from over here? Anyone's birthday is today? Raise your hand. It's your birthday, man. Today is your birthday. Okay, very good. One over here, one over there. What about people from over here? The baby up there. It's her birthday also. And how old is she, man? 2 years old. Okay, then one over here, one over here, one over here. And for you, Rocky, this song goes to you, okay? Alright, let me go see for them.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Very good. Happy birthday to you. And thank you very much for coming to the birthday party. Yeah. Okay, well, I think we're done. Very much I want to hit back home now. Before you go, what you want to say?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And bye-bye to you, amigo. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Our beautiful birds and buddies. Right after this show, you're more than welcome to come forward, take pictures of this bird, but please do not touch them or you might frighten them away. Don't forget about the postcard, we don't pass on them. With that, we have come to the end of our show. On behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore President Foundation, everybody, everyone, thank you very much and bye.